limitedresources.com and also payboxtimer.com. This is a demonstration of converting a Type B plug to a Type G. So a lot of places in the world run on a Type G. And so all you need to do is to use this box because it does work on both 50 hertz and 60 hertz. The same box, same model, works on 50 hertz and 60 hertz. So it's a universal box that will work anywhere in the world. And so what you do, if you have a plug Type B, like so, you can buy these little adapters off of Amazon or your local market and install them on the front of the plug. And so this works in the UK, Jamaica, a lot of places in the world, Type G. And so it's easy enough to convert a local US, Canada and US coin box to an international box with these little adapters. Then again, you can purchase them online, anywhere. Inside the box, there are also female connectors that you can buy adapters for also. That is Limited Resources with payboxtimer.com, and we can be reached at 647-931-1829. We ship internationally all over the world, and this is a universal machine that will accept 50 hertz and 60 hertz, 240 and 120 signals.